The ingredients we need for brownie are 4 eggs, 250 gram sugar, 250 gram butter, 150 gram chocolate, 120 gram flour and 100 gram walnuts. Recipe: start beating the eggs with sugar, but you only have to do mixing, not beating strongly, because we do not want to add too much air. Furthermore, we melt the butter and chocolate. We can do it in water bath or in microwave for 30 seconds on high power until it has melted. Continue mixing the two mixtures, then add the flour along with nuts and mix well until no lumps. Put this mixture in greased pan lined with baking paper. Bake at 180 degrees for about 20 minutes, and if you want it less done, then bake for 15 to 18 minutes.